So my name's Becky Liddon, I'm founder of Sensory Spectacle. I educate about sensory processing difficulties, that's my main role. So Interact in one day is 4 different professionals. Every year I change what the presentations are, so I ask different people to come and present, and it's to help us go back and feel confident and inspired. I know that lots of us learn best by doing things, and when we're doing things we gain more confidence and we can try things out. If it doesn't work quite so well, we might do it slightly differently, or we can just start to think about how do we personalise it for our child or a specific person that we support. Interact is a day where you will be able to come and feel comfortable. It's a very relaxed environment. The presenters are all encouraged to teach us about their practice from their experience. So they will give us the theory and practical information behind it, but then it's about getting involved and doing.
I think the Interact days that Becky organises they're really good. They're kind of quite holistic. They're looking at all aspects of human behaviour in a way, in a very basic way, and thinking what can we learn from that and use to help us develop the ways that we can support people. So yeah, a lot of fun. Yeah.
I would absolutely thoroughly recommend it to anyone who wanted to go, because it's so personalised. You know, there's opportunity throughout the whole day for you to ask about whether it's your child or whether it's your class or someone particular in your setting, you know, in your care home. So you can get the information you need to go back and do something practical straight away.
It's more than just taking away like a tool or an activity or, you know, a physical thing. It's about almost having a community of people where you can kind of get in touch, and you've got that bounce of energy, and that's what's exciting about being in that room, isn't it? When people are chatting away and you have these kind of light bulbs of like, oh, maybe I should try that with that child, or maybe I should try that, and I think that's where the magic is really. So yeah, everyone should come and try it, definitely.
I'm Angela Wyden, I'm a complex needs teacher. There has been a massive push for PE sports for activities and the launch of the premium, which I think was 5 years ago now. There's loads of stuff out there about complex needs.
So if you're not quite so sure if you want to come to Interact next year, then I would always suggest for you to just try something out. So don't be shy. The thing that I say at the beginning of every day is just get involved. You're going to get out of it the most that you can. So for people that are not quite so sure, just give it a go, especially if there's one topic out of the 4 that you might be interested in trying and learning.